Yes, I. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Celestia the First. You see? Yes, Rasta. Yo, my brother Spice, big up yourself, you know. No enough man like get them name called upon them thing, but God, that's how I go. I am a general from long time. You know, see? Yes, I. R.I.P. Baller Jet. See? When I observe a little happenings that go on the other day at Jamaica in INSWOOD sugar cane estate, where the slave them dead off from way back when, and then same people own the estate today, the same people them were descendants of the slave master them. You know, see? Well, we can observe from how them treat the people them we are going to see in the video. We can see that the people mentality towards us not change openly. You know, see? Granted, they are from a place where coronavirus is being observed from a rational and modern perspective, for put it simply. You know, see, it would be draconian in their society of origin to unhouse someone at this point. In fact, it's a criminal offense. You know, see, doesn't matter how much rent somebody owe in England today. You know, see, landlord can't throw them out. You know, see, no matter how much money you owe on your mortgage, the bank can't close. What them do, them stop it there. So you see, whenever things free up back and you're back up and running, your things start back. See, them do apply the profit and them extend the time for your time for end of payment type of thing. You understand? Probably like how a year costs this, a year what a free time, them just add an extra year upon the payment in at the end and probably some profit. And you can discuss that in a court rationally, and granted some legislation and things like that good, you know, for prevent certain extortionate charges and things like that. But the fact is, presently at the moment, them have to consider a lot of humanity. And a whole lot of people in America and other states can identify the domain and say, because what really happens is that a whole lot of people abuse it and actually can parent and don't parent, knowing so them can't get kicked out and things like that. See? However, in England, no matter where you go and for how long them bills, they follow you. You know, see? Yeah. So, come to think of the treatment in regards to the people and the family, 14 families that are INSWOOD sugar estate, Rasta. You know, see? This is like blatant disregard for any level of human consideration for the people that live right there, sir. Regardless of the fact of what sort of accommodation they want to provide, or however, the people are not satisfied with it. For whatever reason, they have reasons not to. See? So, we expect a little dialogue. We expect a level of humanity. It should not have been to the point whereby we go tear down the people and place and things like that and force them for going to unfinished building. You know, see it? Unsuitable accommodations according to the standard we want to prepare it for them. You know, see it? Based on the type of people we want to put in there, no doubt. Because if we're not going to treat them so at this point, yeah? What sort of consideration? We have to observe the claim where them make so well then the house them substandard. You know, see it? Because we could have never have no level of humanity in regards to them originally. You just do want to do out of shame faith. I'm telling you something, black people, Jamaican people, organize. File a lawsuit against them. Them own a compensation. This is blatant disregard for your personal human safety, your human rights, your safety. This is bullyism. This is draconianism. Anyway, watch the video for those who want to see it. You know, see it. And may I make a request before we show that video? Yes, anybody who have access to Andrew Wallace High School yearbook, yeah, more help me get it, please. Please, in that yearbook, say film statement is that I gonna become a politician and the people them gonna assassinate him. See? No matter how I search, I've seen it, I've read it personally for myself. Before he becomes prime minister, before he becomes so prominent, you see, but after him come in an office, can't find it again, like him scrub the internet. But somebody have it. A classmate of his, a schoolmate of his might have the book themselves, with themselves in it. Please, observe Andrew Wallace's statement in regard to, I don't know what you call that, expectation or plan for the future or whatever. You know see it? Anyway, watch the video and I could talk about it again.
Food me got road go buy and I eat. Me don't even know what to find me medication. And if it's dead tomorrow morning, government are gonna chat for me pick them. That's all me have to tell them.
Oh, early this morning the demolition team came.
6:45.
Before you were up.
Them wake me out of my bed. 6:45. Out of my bed. Them knock on the side of the door and say time now to get up. Some think a joke thing, I mean not even know who. So I say, what the hell no call me out and wake me up so early for? So I come and come think of one of my friends. But when time I come out, I realize I see a bag of police and someone. So I say, hold on there. I walk myself, so them come move me. So I say, alright, let me check out my things them. I want to do what I want to do. The police tell him some lick down everything and fling out everything. Two of the youth them to me say, alright, me help you pack up whatever crackery I have left back and I put the furniture in for you. So I give me some bag. So I give him some bag and he start help with. But one of the police them say, throw out every thing out here. So that's the speech that he's making up with the bad word. That's the exact quote, the argument, that's what he said. And there's when him start war, because he mash up my mother valuable things that she offered, she married, I so come make them start. Tell me, say, alright, stay here so mommy. Me I gonna make them move out. And another police come and say, take out our things them and don't let them pull out everything out of your house and don't take them out. So the police tell us to take out everything out of it and put one side. Don't mash up our things and because me and them start warring there. I'm living on this house for 34 years. I'm 34 years old. I was born and raised right here. My mother was born and raised right here. She did and gone long time.
So your relatives are sugar workers?
Yes, sir. My grandfather was a sugar worker all the years I'm like. And him dead gone. So I'm dead here a long time. I'm not squat here, so I right here, so we live. At the sugar company give my grandfather the place and him bill up money. Mr. Shukir and we have a meeting. Mr. Shukir agree with if we go down there, so. We told Mr. Shukir about some places where we would have good access to water. Mr. Shukir disagree with everywhere else so we give him, but him say down there, so we have to go.
Where?
White Road, Macook's Pen. So we agree with him and say, alright, give me what you agree with. So we're going to be thinking, what kind of house you have? Like Mr. Food for the Poor house. Mr. Shukir, a Food for the Poor house, the bathroom and the kitchen is right next to one another. There's a virus going around, we cannot work with that. Him say, one time I'm not getting on the one I want to do with it. So we get the key, so we start draw out a kitchen. Just to have a little part there, so to cook, different from what we have the bathroom. I thought you don't have a problem with that. When them give me the key, no light down there, no water. So we get back to him say, alright, then my string light. When him do string light, then take back the key, them and when them do down string light, then give it back so we can move certain time. The bathroom them not flush, the toilet them not flush, the bathroom them water not run out.
So when did you actually got this notice to move from here?
Wednesday.
And they told you to move when?
Friday, yesterday.
And you did not get a chance to move?
We never signed the paper because the house them not finished and them not come back down there from fix nothing.
So
and the roof them are leak and everything. Nothing done.
I fix up the place. What am I going to do now? Look, see me tell them and something less so I go to the place back. See there? See there? And I like when I make preparation for move. We are look board for move. As you can see, we just have sort out myself and forget the running water because Mr. Shakir promised me running water.
My concern is that this is totally unacceptable in the 21st century. We must deal with people better than this. Because as you can see, all the items for the persons are on the ground. The houses are totally demolished. They have nowhere to sleep tonight. They're going to have to be catching with people and so on and so forth. We cannot be doing this at this time. This is totally irresponsible, unacceptable, and we cannot allow this to continue going on. I've reached out and escalated the matter to other persons within the party and we'll be touring sometime and to see how best we can resolve the matter. And we have reached out to SCJ. I personally have written to Mr. Shakir for him to intervene. When I got the message that they're coming to destroy the property, I haven't gotten any response as yet. I've emailed him, I've personally dropped off the letter, I've called him, I haven't gotten a response. As soon as he get back to me, we'll see how best we can help the people because we cannot allow people to live like this. I cannot imagine myself in this situation. So we can't afford to do this to people. All persons' lives matter, regardless whether you think they're poor or they're disadvantaged or whatever. We have to deal with people in a civilized manner.
We are trying to make ourselves comfortable. God, good God, them couldn't give me a good time for done. Eh? You answer my question. Mr. Prime Minister, when you say this, you might reach out to me, sir, because we don't deserve this. Me a 56-year-old, we don't deserve this, sir.
Yeah, like I say, blatant human rights that. Mr. Whatever your name, I can't remember your name, but the INSWOOD Sugar Estate, that slave plantation from there, that, how much slave blood could have run in that same little plot of land there where they want to go push on the people them house and run them out of? Right now, the people them finna start beat some poco drum. The people them finna start beat, the Rastafari start beat the Kete drum. You know, see, when I know how Rasta drop the thing, saying the whole unity, the whole group of people just let go the thing like them not realize the power where them have access to, you know, like some man not realize what purpose of them lacks. Alright, I'm tell you the purpose of your lacks. The purpose of your lacks is like an ID to Babylon, and Babylon see Babylon knows say the enemy that. Babylon knows say I don't want with that. Babylon knows so we not deal with blood, and we not deal with killing and destruction and then thing that we try to convert people. You know, see, to try to educate people and make them know right from wrong. You know, see, and that is the biggest threat because everybody if stay in a darkness and be able to stay dumb, that some can manipulate them and trick them each and every whichever way. You know, see it. So when you don't have that symbol the pound weight, then I walk around and I go on like so well then a chicken without a head. You know, see it. It is an embarrassment. You know, see it. When you take on to yourself a level of judgment and you suffer feet and never realize. When you do the work what you're supposed to do with it. You know, see it. Got on a police then man, I got on a regular servant man and go eat some food man, develop a family, develop your ambition, personal development. You know, see, you walk around with lax and you can't get no work on them things that you don't know the significance of the lax. You know, see, Rasta, if you have that something where you don't like and you're not comfortable with, man, it's a sin for continue, man. It's a sin to continue. You know, see it? Where the bingy fire them there and things like that? We have to go to Spanish town, or to INSWOOD Estate, same place on the spot where them uproot the people them. See, and burn a fire all night for some boy, make some boy quake in them boat because them know the effect of that. It come like the man, it's the man them way to affect, know the effect of it more than the man them way. Meant to use it effectively. And what now, I just show like an education, like a resource and hunger. You know, see, but again, I saw the principle becomes misconstrued. You know, see, because hunger part of it. The moment you take on your lax on your body, you prepare one of the first thing your elder tell you say, prepare for your parents on them back on you and this on you. You know see, so why say hunger? Why say belly full? Belly full not obligated to nobody, you know. You know see, as you quit that turn it back and gone. Sometime quicker than the last time. You know see, the man them for maintain some decorum, some principle. You know see it, and the dead as a moral guide. So most of the time when they see the low, when they see the certain things that get low and things like that, if the prophets see the city I get destroyed and no one the people them, the blood of the city shall be on the hand of the prophet. You know see it? So enough man sit down there and go on like so well then where and blare. You know see it? I want a job for educate the people them and stand up for the people them. See? Yeah man. Hungry be fed man. Unhealthy cared for. You know see it? That's the principle. See? Things like this are supposed to go on and they just left between the media, the sufferer, and the guys them will do it. You know see it? Them things call for all national attention. You know see it? Call to action. You know see it? All them people, you know see it? Me never try to put nobody in a category or anything like that, but at the end of the day, you know see it? It heart-rending for seeing a time like this when nobody else over the world I get certain no country in the world that do that to them people. Only our country. You know see it? Oh, the virus not real. I fake all along. So the people them can't fight them 2 million sitting another one and plan to come push on them. Quickly, where we are going to discuss that soon. We want to discuss that in a live call. meet and greet and talk and we share your opinion on this vaccine thing. We are not anti-vaccine. You know, see, we are just a set of people who love to take our time and do things. We love go by the process of time. You know, see, yeah. So we're going to have a discussion on that soon. But nowhere else in the world now show up nobody in a coronavirus except our country. You know, see, but people fear not. Because when our corrupt justice system them not turn them back pound, you know. When you can go abroad, that's why they want to get rid of the queen, and the queen and deal with shame and disgrace. Although I go to her cousin who on the farm, she not go jeopardize our prestige in terms of humanity. Seeing for them. So we make them pay a little small change. You know, see, one man's rubbish, one man's garbage is another man's treasure. Type of scenario. You know, see it? But yeah, we're not going to make it just go so neither for real. And I'm kind of disappointed with the rest of Jamaica. Them just keep quiet about that. And make it this time, slave master descendant come back again. At the same cause of slavery come back again and oppress the people in a modern day Jamaica. And everybody turn a blind eye. You know, see? No. Who own INSWOOD Sugar Estate? What authority, what level of moral bearing you have? What kind of sugar we supposed to expect from you now? If you are cheat humanity, so you know, see, how we for trust you for put food in our belly, sir? You know, see, that we want the rest of the world know. You know, see, INSWOOD Sugar Estate is a international disgrace to do that to any human being in this time. Much respect. Share, like, and subscribe. Cause share voice note. You don't know me. I've got to say, it's been a while. More bless. Rastafari.